every job has its own complexity, right? So our figuring sheet is updated constantly as market prices change. It's usually pretty accurate on straightforward run-of-the-mill stuff. So let's say we have 500 square foot of drywall to do in a project. Our numbers should be fairly close, but we always allow our subcontractors to review the plans of the scope. We often take them out to the job to take a look at the site conditions as well. And our drywall guy might say, yeah, that's great. It's so many dollars at the regular square foot allowance, but I've got to carry all these sheets up that flight of stairs, and that's going to take a long time. I have to add a little bit for that. Or he might say, this is just 4 walls in a garage. We do an accessory dwelling unit or just a standalone garage, and you've got a ceiling and 4 walls and they can just run. That's probably not going to be as much. And we always let the customer know, look, some of these things as we're going through are going to come in. And I explain the concept of what the unit pricing is and allowance pricing is, and say what we're doing now is, instead of being at a very close ballpark, we're going to turn it into an exact price that we can sign a contract on. And all that unit pricing and allowance, some will be a little bit above, some will be a little bit under. Generally, we're right around where we want to be, but I get to keep a running tab as decisions are made, as subcontractor quotes come in. I can see what's happening to the budget, and I can let them know, hey, we're getting a little bit out of control, or you're looking good, or whatever. We try to have those conversations along the way.